Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2025 Lexus LX 700h is here and it's rewriting what we expect from a luxury SUV. With a bold new design, a powerful yet efficient hybrid powertrain, and a cabin that wraps you in cutting-edge technology and first-class comfort, this SUV takes Lexus into the future while honoring its legacy of refinement and performance. Right from the first glance, the LX 700h commands attention. Its massive spindle grille is now even more sculpted and aggressive, giving the front end a powerful presence. The LED headlamps are slimmer and sharper, with integrated daytime running lights that give it a futuristic look. The overall shape of the LX 700h remains muscular and athletic, but with cleaner lines and better aerodynamic efficiency. It rides on large alloy wheels that vary from 20 to 22 inches, depending on the trim, giving it a grounded, dominant stance. Under the hood, the LX 700h is powered by a twin-turbocharged V6 hybrid powertrain, delivering an impressive blend of power and efficiency. This system produces around 480 horsepower and over 600 pound-feet of torque, making it not just quick for its size but also incredibly smooth and responsive. The hybrid system is smartly tuned to switch between electric-only power, gas-only mode, or a blend of both to maximize fuel economy without compromising on performance. Whether you're cruising down the highway or towing a trailer, the LX 700h handles it all effortlessly, thanks to its adaptive suspension and refined drivetrain. Step inside and you'll find the true soul of the LX 700h. The cabin is designed to be a sanctuary, combining traditional Lexus craftsmanship with modern luxury. Soft leather, real wood, and aluminum trim are used generously throughout the interior. The seats are not just comfortable, they're heated, ventilated, and offer massage functions in the upper trims. The new Lexus Interface infotainment system takes center stage with a massive 14-inch touchscreen, seamless smartphone integration, and over-the-air updates. There's also a second screen for climate control and vehicle settings, giving the dashboard a sleek, tech-forward look. The second and third row seating has been redesigned for maximum comfort and space. Second-row passengers get executive-class treatment with available captain's chairs, rear infotainment screens, and independent climate control. Even the third row is usable for adults, a rare thing in this segment. And when it comes to cargo, the LX 700h doesn't disappoint. With power-folding rear seats and a hands-free liftgate, loading and unloading is easier than ever. On the safety front, Lexus continues to lead with the latest version of its Safety System Plus. It includes advanced features like pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition. There's also a 360-degree camera system with off-road mode, giving drivers a full view of their surroundings whether they're navigating tight city streets or rugged trails. Speaking of off-road, the LX 700h doesn't shy away from adventure. Despite its luxury focus, it remains a capable SUV with multiple terrain modes, crawl control, and a locking center differential. Whether you're climbing rocks or crossing streams, this SUV has the hardware and software to handle it all while keeping passengers cocooned in luxury. In every way, the 2025 Lexus LX 700h represents a step forward for Lexus. It combines brute strength with elegance, cutting-edge tech with timeless design, and performance with efficiency. It's a vehicle that doesn't compromise, offering the best of every world in one luxurious, powerful package. If you're looking for an SUV that turns heads, pampers passengers, and dominates any road or trail, the LX 700h deserves a spot at the top of your list. We'll see you next video.